What's the meaning of American Bandstand? American Bandstand. American Bandstand. American Bandstand. American Bandstand. American Bandstand.
American Bandstand was a music TV show that aired from 1952 to 1989. The show featured popular music performances and dance routines that were judged by a studio audience. It was hosted by Dick Clark for most of its run and became an important part of American pop culture, launching the careers of many successful musicians. American Bandstand is remembered as a pioneering program that helped to bridge the gap between different generations and contributed to the dissemination of new musical trends across the country.